Oh, hello there. Welcome to the Algae Biofuels Lab at Doane College. In this video, we're going to explain how to isolate algae species from the wild in order to determine their biofuel potential. While these methods work successfully in our lab, they may not be perfectly suited for your lab. Shall we get started?
Begin by making a nitrate stock solution and a phosphate stock solution. For these, you will need potassium phosphate monobasic, calcium chloride, anhydrous potassium phosphate dibasic, magnesium sulfate, and ammonium chloride. Measure out the various chemicals for the given recipe.
Now you're ready to make your medium. Add 400 milliliters of distilled water to a 1 liter flask. Then, add 25 milliliters of phosphate stock solution to the flask, 25 milliliters of nitrate stock solution to the flask, and a half a milliliter of Florgo solution. Mix with vigor.
Stock solutions are now complete. Now you are ready to make your agar. This can be done in a variety of ways. The most sterile method is to autoclave. Place foil over the top of the flask, add autoclave tape, and set the autoclave to 25 minutes. An alternative method is to heat the agar solution to a boil on a hot plate or in a microwave. Regardless of the method chosen, the agar solution needs to be poured while still hot, as it will harden quickly. Fill each petri dish bottom about halfway until all the media is used up. Add the lid and allow the dishes to sit until the agar solidifies, which should take about an hour.
While the medium we developed is specifically designed to keep any non-photosynthetic organisms from contaminating our plates, we found Miracle-Gro to be a very effective solution at a much lower cost. To see how we make the Miracle-Gro medium, check out our Miracle-Gro medium video. Once you have formed the liquid medium, add 7.5 grams of agar per every 500 milliliters of Miracle-Gro medium, microwave until it reaches boiling, and pour the plates.
Now you are ready to add your algae sample to your agar plates. Necessary supplies include algae, sterile pipettes, a bent glass rod, a flame source, alcohol, and parafilm or tape. First, add 4 to 5 drops of algae sample to the center of a plate. Dip the glass rod in alcohol and put it over the flame to rid it of any contaminant. Allow the rod to cool, then place it across the agar and spin the plate with the opposite hand. Do 2 or 3 revolutions. Flame the rod again and store. Use tape or parafilm to seal the edges of the dishes in order to reduce the chance of contamination. Finally, label the samples with name and date and place them under a window or under light racks. It'll take 4 to 7 days to achieve noticeable growth. In the meantime, you may want to focus on other life skills. After about a week, you should see noticeable growth. The next step is to isolate colonies. Each dot on the plate represents an individual colony of one algae species. In order to isolate, we need to remove colonies and place them in solution. First, obtain a growth chamber with media, your plate, and a toothpick. To prevent bodily harm, we recommend purchasing your own toothpick. To isolate, gently scrape the colony with a toothpick, place it in the growth chamber, and shake with vigor. Allow it to sit for 10 to 14 days under light, giving you more time to focus on things outside of algae. After a period of growth, you should begin to see green in the solution. Check the population under the microscope, give yourself a pat on the back, and break open a cold one, because you may have just isolated the algae species that will shape our biofuel future.